Hello traders and a warm welcome to the first season of this Traders Battle. Let's talk about the rules. So there will be two traders going head to head on a challenge to beat each other in terms of overall risk to reward. Basically, if a trader takes a trade and loses it, he will be deducted an overall R point. If the trade is a winner, the total R will be added to the trader's balance. The battle will begin Monday, 8th of August at 8:00 GMT +3 and it will take 4 weeks, meaning that on the 2nd of September we will have a crown champion. Traders are allowed to trade any style, any pair, and their risk tolerance is solely up to them. Let's see our participants. Cris will be our first participant. Her trading experience is 3 years. As you can see, she trades UJ, UC, GBP USD, Euro US dollar, and also US30. This will be interesting. Time frame used is 15 minutes. Session traded Europe and US, and as a strategy, she says that she uses her ancestors' inspiration. The contender will be Alex. He's been trading for 3 years. He is only trading gold on the 5-minute time frames. He is trading US session, and the strategy that he says that he will use is composed both of EMAs and price action. Now let's talk with our participants. So Cris, what is your first thought going into this battle?
So I think it's going to be a really nice experience for both of us, and also I think it will help me to measure better my performances in my day-to-day trading. So I can't wait to start this battle.
Next question. What are your thoughts regarding your opponent?
Well, Alex is a really good trader, and most of the times he managed to be more disciplined than me. So yeah, he's a really great opponent for me, and I can't wait to compare our results.
Interesting. Now let's get a bit serious. Describe your last trade taken.
Oh, so it was a buy position this Friday on USD CAD, and I decided to close manually the trade on 2.5 to 1 because I think it was an NFP day. And after this news, my trade could have been, I think, 1 to 15. So yeah, I usually take really great trading decisions.
Any final thoughts going into the battle?
Well, I'm actually really excited to start this battle, and I can't wait to see the results, so stay with us.
We are now with Alex, the contender. So Alex, what are your first thoughts going into this battle?
First thoughts, sorry. Well, first of all, I hope that it will force me to be more consistent in trading, because I had couple of days when I don't trade. The third day I opened 12 trades, so I think that this challenge will help me become more time dependent in terms of trading, so that I can disperse my trades more in a uniform manner than I used to do up to now. So yeah, those are my first thoughts.
Next question. What are your thoughts regarding your opponent?
Well, I was afraid of this question because I really think that she will beat the hell out of me, mostly because she is trading on a more regular basis and she has more experience in this direction. But again, nonetheless, I have to compete and try to be the best contender that I possibly can, but still I think she is going to beat me.
Interesting. Now let's get a bit serious. Describe your last trade taken.
Okay, so the last trade that I took was on gold, because I only trade gold, and it was a buy. It was an NFP day, so I opened the buy based on my criteria, but I closed it a bit earlier, meaning that if I were to leave the trade going, I think I would have bought myself a nice car. But anyway, I am still on a funded account, so note that. So any money that I make is really my money, so I still have to be a bit conservative regarding the profit locking part of my trading. So yeah, that was my last trade I took.
Any final thoughts going into the battle?
To still be in that challenge by Tuesday, I think. and not blow the funded account. Mainly that's my main challenge, because sometimes I tend to be under-disciplined as hell. So yeah, as a short answer, to still be in the challenge and still be doing this series by Tuesday next week.
So now that we got to know our opponents, see you in the first episode of the battle, which will be Tuesday the 9th of August 2022. Stay tuned.